Arrested for money laundering, which is one of the most complex economic crimes because it is based on the alleged illegal origin of the money. When an arrest is made, it means that the authorities believe that sums of money, assets, or financial transactions have been used to conceal, transform, or reinvest suspicious funds. The prosecutor's office analyzes bank flows, international transactions, foreign companies, cryptocurrencies, split payments, and business relationships. Every operation becomes a piece of the investigation. The defense must demonstrate and establish the lawful origin of the money clearly, the economic consistency of the transactions, and the absence of fraudulent intent. In cross-border cases, Europol, FIU, UIF, foreign banks, customs, and the authorities of other countries are involved, making the proceedings very, very technical.